seconds. That is the quickest way to go take a swim. And there are sharks in these waters. In the event someone does go overboard, I will throw you that big orange ring right on the front of the boat. If you see something you want to get a better look at, you go ahead and kneel on those seats and make sure you have a tight grasp on that handrail. Second rule is there is absolutely no smoking, vaping, juuling of any kind while aboard. If I see smoke around anybody, I'm going to assume you're on fire, and I'm going to use these fire extinguishers to put you out. There are 2 fire extinguishers right there, both behind the captain, one below him. For life jackets, not that we will need them. There's adult-sized life jackets right above your head, and those brown canopies above you. Kids' life jackets are right down here below. You guys are free to move out as you please. You don't have to sit there. You guys can come up here if you want. There's one last thing. You may not stand right in front of the captain. He needs to see where we're going. If you guys want me to take photos for you, just flag me down. I'm happy to do it. Don't be shy. We do have a bathroom on board. It's right back there. Number 1's only, please. If you guys see a dolphin, please point and say dolphin loudly. That is the whole point of being out here, right? If you say dolphin, we'll get as close as we possibly can. Alright, like I said, you guys don't have to sit down. We're going to get up to a marker about a couple feet away. I'm going to turn on that AC for you. If you're wearing a hat.
There's a large group out there, and we do know if there's one baby in this group, about 10 days old. And we're going to see if we can't go up there and find them.
Yes, sir. Thank you.